Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. Today's video is very interesting. I've never done this before on my channel. It's actually a get ready with me in the car. I do have my nephew here, so if you see him running around, don't be alarmed. The car's parked and we're not going anywhere. He's just hanging out with me as we always do. He's like my best friend, my little buddy. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you guys want to see me do my makeup in a moving vehicle. I think that would be very interesting. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this video, shall we? So, I was not planning on filming this kind of video, but it's kind of the situation that we're in at the moment. So, let's just get ready in the car because we kind of ain't got no other choice. Yeah, we're just gonna get ready in the car and I'm just gonna do like kind of, I guess, like a everyday makeup routine. I just brought my makeup bag, so we're just gonna go with whatever I have in here. I do have my eyebrows on already. I literally just have like my makeup bag here and I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil for my eyebrows. Prime my face before I left the house and I'm using Dr. Brandt Pores No More, the Luminous Primer, I believe. So I'm mixing two foundations together. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte and the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. Both of these are like not my shade right now. It's like that awkward summertime vibe. So I'm just gonna mix these two together and yeah, see what we get. This one is my favorite, the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. I don't know. I just like the finish a lot more than the Pro Matte, which I used to use a lot. Kind of leaves my face kind of like dry, so kind of don't like that. But I dampened my sponge before I left the house too, so like I said, it's like not my color, but I look like a ghost.
Why you look like a ghost, Nay?
I don't know, boy, you tell me. Now that we're looking super pale and like a ghost, I'm gonna put some Burt's Bees on my lips. I just use the pomegranate one, honestly. And I'm also going to spray my face with some Fix Plus now, just so that way it doesn't get super cakey. Because like I said, that Pro Matte, I don't know what it is. Like, I used to love it, but maybe my skin's changed throughout the years or something. Because it's not working with me. Alright, now time for concealer. For concealer... Rude. I'm going to be mixing two concealers together. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Just put a little. And then for the ColourPop one. And just blend those babies out.
That person keep coughing.
I know. And I just drag it on my eye a little bit. I kind of use this as like an eyelid primer. Normally don't put like eye primer on unless I'm going out or it's like a special event or something. Other than that, I kind of let like concealer do its job, you know? Before I set my under eyes, I'm going to do a cream contour, and with that, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick.
Nene, you want to see ducking pie?
Yeah. You're so silly, goose. I apologize for the noise, too, because I'm literally, like, clearly around other people and cars and stuff. Okay, so after I'm done with the cream contour, I like to go back and kind of blend out my under eyes again, just so that way they don't get creasy, because that's literally like the worst. I'm gonna put some on there and like do a quick bake. I hate baking for too long. Also, my chin and my forehead, because those are where I kind of get a little bit shiny throughout the day. So I like to set it. How's that, Capri Sun?
Good.
Good? So I'm just going to dust the excess powder off my face using a Luxie 516 Duo Fiber brush. And now time for bronzer, which we desperately need at this point because we are looking a little pale. So for bronzer, I am clearly in love because I've hit pan. Here, let me show you. Like, hit pan. This is like my favorite summertime bronzer. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, which I freaking love, which I normally don't like in a bronzer, but I'm loving this one. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and like, is there a more perfect name for this? I don't think so. And the brush that I'm using is from Moda Pro. Oh, this is Royal and Land Nickel. Sorry, this is like their other like brand that they have. Pretty sure they sell these like at Walmart and stuff. Not this specific one, but like that Moda brand or whatever. And this is a pointed blush brush, but we use this to chisel our cheeks out. So that's what we're gonna do. So after I bronze up with my Wet n Wild bronzer, I like to go in with the Balm bronzer. It's the Take Home the Bronze bronzer in the shade Greg. I only have like a little tiny one right now, but it's kind of like messy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I honestly love it, and I love it to like chisel out a little bit extra, I guess you would say, or give some more definition in them cheekbones, because we ain't got any.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I don't understand what it is, but this eye's like smaller than this eye, and the more I like look at myself recording, I notice it. It's weird. It's so weird. I like to go back with that dual fiber brush and kind of just blend it in so that there is no harsh lines. Next is blush, and I'm using a Kat Von D blush. I don't know if they even sell these anymore. Do they? If you know, let me know in the comments, because I love this and I would love to get like a backup. So one of my favorites, it is her, what is this called? Oh, it's her Shade and Light Shade and Light blush, and it is in this shade Hansel and Gretel. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's in the shade Hansel and Gretel. I like love it. I mix the two sides together and just like pop it on my cheekies. You're like the cutest kid I know. So after I'm done with blush, I like to set my face, kind of reinforce everything, let it sink into the skin, and then we go in with highlight so we can make it like sha-poppin', you know what I mean?
Get in my face.
Drench yourself. Next is highlight, which is probably one of my favorite things. So I'm going to be mixing two highlighters together today, and the first one is going to be the Ulta Beauty, and this is in the shade Radiant Diamond. I honestly was like, Ulta probably don't have that good of highlights, but girl, let me tell you, you probably need this in your life. Let me show you. It is freaking phenomenal, and I am using a strobing fan brush from Real Techniques. It's a 410. Oh, bam. I love this highlight. And then I go over top with the Kylie highlight in Salted Caramel. That's what she looks like. We love her. Boo, boo. And like, bam, you know? Just love us some glow. We just want to like glow. When I'm done putting the highlighter on my face, I like to go in with my little sponge and just kind of blend it in, so that way we don't have like a huge stripe of like glitter on our face. So yeah, we are done with the face. Now onto the eyes. I think I'm gonna do something simple because one, we're in the car.
See me.
Yeah, YouTube can see you. Do you have anything you want to tell YouTube?
No.
No? What about, you're excited for school? Yeah, we're gonna go for like a more subtle look today. I just brought the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, so we're gonna do something very like neutral / easy because we are in the car, and I only brought 3 brushes because I was such a genius this morning. Clearly I love this, but I think I'm gonna go in with orange soda right here and just start to buff that in my crease. Nothing too crazy on the eyes. I just want to give some definition to make it look like we kind of tried, even though like we're getting ready in the car. You know what I mean? Oh, I was totally thinking, you guys, what if like I got ready in like a moving vehicle? Would you guys be down to watch that? What are you doing? You're so weird. Are you showing him a pig? Fun fact, this pig used to be my pig and somebody stole it from me. But that's okay. Solomon's favorite pig used to actually be my pig, but he kind of like TO'd on it. You're making my hair go wild, boy. But he kind of TO'd on it, which is fine because he loves it, and I love pigs too. If you guys didn't know, I actually collect stuffed pigs, which is a little bit weird, but I love them so much. I think they're like the cutest thing ever. Solomon loves it too. That's his piggy. So shout out to my friend Shorty.
He loves Piggy.
He loves Piggy. Shout out to my friend Shorty. She's the one who actually got the pig for me on my birthday. She actually got me the pig and apple juice and like makeup and gummy worms, which are my favorite things in the entire universe. So shout out to you, Shorty. I love you forever and always. But yeah. I'm gonna go in with the shade of burnt orange. Clearly, like, these are like my favorite shades, but I'm going in with this one and kind of define the crease a little bit more. I don't want anything too dark. I just want some definition, like I said. See how that just like makes it pop a little bit more, like a little. So one of my favorite things in the entire world are ColourPop Super Shock shadows. If you guys have not tried them, please run to the nearest Ulta or ColourPop online. Grab one. Whichever color you think is poppin' or whichever color is speaking to you. They're $5, you guys. The best $5 you could ever spend on a shadow, and they're so moussey and so gorgeous. This is the one that I'm gonna use today. I honestly use these almost every single day. Like, I'm so in love. This one is in the shade Amaze, and it's just so sparkly and nice and juicy, and I love it. So we're just gonna pop her on our eyelids. I like to use my finger for this just because I feel like it's the most, you get the most pigment out of it, so that's very nice. So now that we got the glitter on our eyeballs, we're just gonna go ahead and use that same brush that we were using before that I didn't even tell you that I was using. It's a Morphe M441, and we're just gonna blend that in. Nothing crazy, just gonna go over it so that way it doesn't look like there's a line and then the glitter starts nowhere. So done with that. Now we're gonna curl our lashes and put on some mascara to kind of like, you know, make us look a little bit more put together. You guys are gonna freaking die because I didn't bring any mascara. I don't think I did. I found a mascara. Okay, awesome. It's not like the best mascara in the world. So I thought I didn't bring mascara. I didn't bring the one that I normally use. I have this NYX Worth the Hype, and I know she's kind of drying out right now, and I don't have my eyelash curler. So that kind of sucks.
Out.
So this is with one coat, and I think we could kind of work with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and probably put like 2 more coats on because I don't have any false lashes and I don't have an eyelash curler. So we're kind of in a predicament, but I guess if we're going for like a naturalish everyday look, it's kind of chill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I will come back when we got some more mascara on. So I just finished putting mascara on. I did line my lids with some eyeliner. Sorry I did that off camera, but I really wish I had an eyelash curler. I feel like it would make the world of difference, or lashes. I feel like that would make a big difference. I'm going to be using this Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the shade Illuminati. I don't have a brush for this, so that's gonna be difficult. Yeah, I didn't really think about this.
And then you have Danny boy.
Ah, did you see all the glitter? You see all the glitter? It's beautiful. Cake it on my pinky. Do you see that?
Don't.
You're kind of wild. But yeah, so a little bit goes a long way. There's all that glitter again. I love this stuff. It makes the world of a difference. And so that just opened up our eyeballs so much more. And so for completing this look, besides the lashes and the eyelash curler, I think that since I always wear 20 from Kylie, I think I'm gonna go with the ColourPop one today, just to like mix it up a little bit and, you know, like be like a little crazy, live on the edge a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. It's very natural, very everyday. I do apologize for this lighting because like I said, we are in the car, we are using daylight. So yeah, we just are working with what we got right now, and I'm really loving this lip color. I don't know if I told you which color it was. It's the shade Love Bug from ColourPop, but I'm digging it. And yeah, I think lashes would make a world of difference, like I've already said a million times. But yeah, you guys, I'm not hating on it. We really can't complain for doing our makeup in the car. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different, like a get ready with me in the car. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you guys want me to do my makeup like in a moving vehicle. I feel like that would be really hard. I probably wouldn't be able to do the eyeliner, but I'm down to try, or like at least put lashes on or something. So yeah, let me know if that's something that you guys want to see, because I feel like that would be a really cool challenge. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you did. Comment down below, let me know what kind of videos that you guys want to see in the near future, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that we could become part of the Peace Posse. We would love to have you guys. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace and love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!
Bye.
With you, babe, with you, babe, with you, babe. Hey, hey. It's okay, hey, hey. No delay.